I've had this twist in now for almost 2 months. I regret it and I am so scared. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an update and everything that basically happened over the last couple of weeks while I was on this twist. So I installed this twist a couple of weeks back, and I think the video where I installed the twist went up recently, and here I am with an update video weeks later. And you may be wondering how that is possible. Yeah, that's because I usually batch create content. I release them over a couple of weeks, so by the time you are seeing the next batch created content, so many weeks have passed by. So yeah, that's by the way. So I installed this twist over a month ago. Like guys, it's almost 2 months, and this is the first time I'm installing a protective style like this, and honestly I have mixed feelings about it. I don't even know if I'm ever going to install this type of protective style again, or if it's even a protective style to begin with. Okay, so where do I even start from, because I have so many things to share with you guys. So first of all, like I said, I've had them in now for over a month, so almost 2 months. So the new growth I have here now is almost 2 months worth of new growth. So let me just show you guys how it looks like. So yeah, this is what we have now for almost 2 months. So this is the new growth I have gotten for the past 2 months. It's not really up to 2 months, more about 6 weeks. So that's why I said over a month and almost 2 months. I think it was pretty fair and I am quite happy with that. But almost every other thing about this style, I hate it. Of course, there are things I like about it as well. For example, I got a lot of compliments on this style, and I think this is one of the best protective styles I have installed so far. That's when it comes to aesthetics. So I was happy with that. I got a lot of compliments on it. I was able to style it in a lot of ways with a lot of outfits, wear it to different places. I was able to rock it basically, but apart from those, almost every other thing I hated. Let's start from the fact that this style is so heavy. Like guys, this is not even the full style. Like apart from this twist, I still have some at the back. So guys, it is a lot. When I say it is heavy, trust me, it is heavy. And because of that, I was not able to pack it up. So I was not able to really style my hair in a bun. So majority of the time, my hair was down. Like for almost 2 months now, my hair has been down. The few times I pack it up is probably when I'm taking a shower. And guys, you won't even believe the struggle I go through every single day just to shower with this hair. So that is why I said earlier in this video that I don't even know if I can call this a protective style, because my hair was almost always down. And you guys know that one of the ways I protect my protective styles is by tucking my ends away in a bun. So whatever protective style I install, be it twists, cornrows, braids, all of that, most of the time my ends are in a bun, but I couldn't do it with this style because of the weight. Like this is the heaviest protective style I have ever installed. I'm not even kidding. Okay, I think the most extensions I have used before while installing this protective style is probably 2.5. I don't think I've ever used 3 before. But guys, guess how many extensions I used on this style? 4 good extensions, or was it 3? And even with that, guys, it was not enough. Like I had to merge it with an old extension. I don't even know if I showed that part in the video where I was installing the style, but guys, it was not enough. I had to merge it with black extensions I had left from a previous install. So guys, trust me when I say it is heavy. So because of that, I don't know if this style was truly protective. My hair was out, be it when I was at home, when I go out, when I sleep, my hair is almost always down. Like it is too heavy to the point that I cannot even put it up to sleep. Like even while sleeping, if I put it in a bun, it will still be tugging on my edges. So I think I have only packed it up to bed maybe about 5 times, not really that much, about 3 to 5 times. So because of the weight, I had to choose between avoiding traction and protecting my hair. and I went with avoiding traction, because if I want to push and say, okay, let me ignore everything, let me ignore the traction, the weight and all of that, and still try to protect my ends by putting it in a bun, it is possible that I may get traction alopecia from that because of the weight, and I don't want that, okay? Because traction alopecia is scary, I'm not even kidding. But if I decide to risk protecting my ends, even if I get breakage from that, at least my hair will still grow back, okay? It will still grow back, and I will still be able to salvage some of my hair strands. So I just had to let go of protecting my hair for the sake of avoiding traction. So that is how this so-called protective style turned into a basic hairstyle. So that's the first thing I don't like about it. The second thing is, guys, it is so hot. Like I said, I cannot pack this hair up, and it's down most of the time. And guys, the heat, especially when you live in a hot climate like my country, the heat with these extensions down almost 247, it's just something else. I don't even know if you guys can see from the camera, but I am currently sweating, and that is because I had to put off my fan so that the audio does not become noisy since I'm filming. But guys, the heat is just something else. So that's it for that. Moving on, another thing is I'm scared. Like, I am so scared right now. Like I said, my hair was not protected, so I'm scared of what I am going to see when I take down this protective style. Like, the way my hair has been this past couple of weeks, I don't think my hair has ever been in this state, like unprotected, in the last few years. I feel like I just sort of let my hair go without any form of protection and just exposed it to the world, okay? If you guys have been following me, you'd know that I pamper my hair a lot. I pamper my ends a lot. My ends are almost always protected. So this is new for me. This is not my usual routine. It's not like me to leave my hair down like this. Whenever you see a hairstyle on my hair and it's down, it's almost always going to be a wig. If it's with my own hair, it's going to be almost always up, okay? So this is new for me, and that is why I am scared, because I feel like I did not protect my hair enough, I did not shield my hair enough, and my hair has gone through a lot this past couple of months. So that is one of my fear, but I'm praying and hoping that everything goes well when I take down this style. There is still a little bit of faith inside me that everything is still going to go well. I don't know where this confidence is coming from, okay? But yeah, I'm just going to keep my fingers crossed and hope for the best. At this point, there is nothing I can do. At a point, I thought of taking down this style, but I weighed the pros and the cons and said, nah, I am going to rock it for the complete duration I intended to rock it for. So that is why I decided not to take it down and just decided to go with the flow. But apart from that, generally this style was cool as a hairstyle for beauty purposes, for aesthetic purposes. It was so great. Like I said, I received a lot of compliments on it, but when it comes to protective styling, it was not really the best. Like, would you guys even believe that I could not fit this under a bonnet? Because of this hair, I had to go searching for scarves, but the day I went shopping for the satin scarves, the sizes I saw were small, and after that day, honestly, let me not lie, I was just too lazy to go back to search again or order online. So I just forgot about it, and I have been sleeping like that on my pillowcases. Yeah, and at this point, I think the best thing for me is to get a satin or silk pillowcase. One of you has said that in the comment section, and I so much agree with you, because for someone like me that struggle with using satin bonnet, sometimes I think satin or silk pillowcases are going to be the best. I used to have a satin pillowcase before. I don't use that anymore, but I am going to get new sets of pillowcases like silk and satin, so that on nights when I am too lazy, or when I am tired, or when I forget to use my satin bonnet, my hair will still be protected. Don't get me wrong, I use my bonnets, okay? Just that I am not that consistent with it, and I don't use them as often as I would like to. So getting my satin or pillowcases will make up for those nights where I go to bed without my bonnet on. So that is it. So for the past couple of weeks, I have not really done much for this protective style, like when it comes to products, washing, moisturizing, and all of that. I would not even say much. I have not done anything, like nothing, for the past couple of months, okay? So I didn't wash my hair, no deep conditioning, no moisturizing, no sealing, none of that, okay? You guys know that for me, washing my hair in protective styles is a no already, so that is not new. So that is the usual for me. I usually wash my hair in between protective styles. The only time I tried washing my hair in a long-term protective style, I regretted it. I even shared it with you guys on the channel, like when I washed the braids, how tangled they were, the results I got, and all of that. So I have gone back to washing my hair in between my protective styles. So that was not new for me. But what I wished I did better was moisturizing. So I wish I did better when it comes to moisturizing and sealing. I have not moisturized my hair for the past few weeks. Like ever since I installed this style, I have not moisturized and sealed my hair. So I am going to be moisturizing my hair today, which is going to be in another video, so please just stay tuned for that. I also don't use products that much when I'm on long-term protective styles because I'm trying to avoid product build-up. But even with that, this is still not normal. For example, at 1 month in a protective style, I should have moisturized my hair about once or twice. So the fact that I am almost 2 months and I have not moisturized my hair means that I was not consistent enough with my routine. Okay, so that's it for now. That is basically everything that has happened while on this protective style. That is it for what I hated, what I loved, and all of that. And even with that, I don't entirely regret installing this protective style, okay, because it was an experience. Plus I just loved the freedom, like the fact that I was able to enjoy my hair without thinking of always putting it in a bun. I know that I may have to bear the consequences of this action later, but when I get to that bridge, I am going to cross it. Okay, so for now, I am just going to enjoy my hair. At least let me enjoy the fruit of my labor. Okay, let me enjoy the hours I invested into this style. So moving forward, I am still going to be leaving this style on for a couple of weeks, probably over a month. Yeah, for over a month before I take them out, because the plan is to carry them for 3 months. So after 3 months, I am going to be taking them out and then I will be free. Okay, but for now, I am still going to keep rocking them down like this because I cannot put them in a bun, unfortunately. So that's basically all the updates I have for you guys concerning this protective style. If there's any other thing you want to know about this style or about my hair care routines or products in general, please make sure to leave them in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. And by the way guys, if you want to grow your hair longer and healthier and you have not gotten the ultimate hair growth guide, you are literally missing out. Like I have been getting a lot of comments, DMs, reviews from you guys that have gotten, especially when it comes to the 30 days daily hair growth routine part. So like I said, if you have not gotten yours, you are literally missing out. So the hair growth guide contains a step-by-step daily hair growth routine. So what you will do on each and every single day for 30 days. Apart from that, you can even recycle the routine. It also includes product recommendations ranging from shampoos, conditioners. It also includes hair growth secrets, solutions to your hair problems. So if you are struggling from breakage, slow hair growth, split ends, even down to postpartum hair shedding, the solutions are all in there. Like it is packed. Okay, so if you have not gotten yours and you know that your goal is to get your hair longer and healthier, please make sure to get yours now and make sure to link it down in the description box below. Okay, so yeah guys, that is it for today's video. And if you watched it this far and you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here and you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing to join the family, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.